Hello everyone and welcome to a new weekly overview. Hi جميعا, welcome to a new weekly overview لهذا الأسبوع. For this week, we have a nice week. Monday we have the CPI for CHF. Wednesday we have the NZD official rate. It's expected to increase a little bit, like 5%. And then we have the ADP non-farm. Then we have Thursday on unemployment chain claims. And Friday this week, guys, this is the week of the NFP. Of course, we'll see the next week for the CPI, but the start of the month should be a nice one. بداية الأسبوع لازم تكون منيحة. عندنا ال NFP هذا الأسبوع، كتير مهم راح يكون الماركت وكيف نحن راح نشتغل عليه بأساسه. So let's start with the US 30 for the trades. خلينا نبلش بال US 30 للtrades. Okay, like we have this resistance area, as you can see. This is all a resistance area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, this is strong resistance area. Actually, after all this daily move up, like on Friday, I expect that the market should start retracing down, especially we have the CCI up, percentage R up. We have to wait to see on the lower time frame when it will reverse. وننطر للlower time frame نشوف أي متى رح تبرم. But the move is was very bullish. So we can expect potential reversal soon. So let's see. And this is the one condition I will put here. Let's see. If we break on the 1 hour, if we break on the 1 hour, if a new candle open, makes wick up, and then start to push down, breaking this support, then we might have a potential sell. ممكن يكون عندنا potential مبيع في حال فتحت عملت wick up وكملت نزول هون. So the entry will be around 33,240. Stop loss around 3300, 33,280. 30 TP1, 184 TP2, 140 TP3, and the full target might reach 33,070. هيدا بالنسبة للبيع. This is for the sell. هلا we have another potential sell, and this is interesting now to listen to me to what I will say. Okay, now the other potential sell is here. Imagine if it keeps pushing up directly, even without a wick down, this is a sniper entry trade, okay? This will be a sniper entry trade, okay? يعني if this candle opens and directly push up without a wick down, there is no wick down, it opens and directly push up, the potential sell for a sniper entry can be around 33,455, stop loss around 33,530, and then 55 the sell, 45 TP1, scalp 33,329 TP2, 33,294 TP3, and the potential move down can move to 33,061. As for the buy, if it opens, makes a wick down, and then start to push up, then we will have this resistance at this level, which is the continuation of the candle. But here we must be careful. Also, even if we have a wick down, لو عندنا wick down لازم نكون حذرين. Even if we have a wick down, we should be very careful, which is if it opens, makes a wick down, and start to push up, we'll have to see where the stop loss will be exactly based on the lower time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour, last candle before the break. يعني آخر candle قبل الكسرة. 33,365 the entry, 33,005, 305, 33,075, 375 TP1, and TP2 will be 33,440, TP3 33,594, and TP4 will be around 33,750. We move for gold. Let's see the gold. Wave 5 was almost hit, but here we are still in a stagnation. The gold is working super perfectly with our swing system. Now, what I can see here, and you might see also, it's a triangle. It's a continuation pattern that alerts so far of a continuation. Look, we have one, two, and three. So we are in a triangle. Now we need a break up so the gold keep moving up. The same like last week, nothing changed at all. Also, if it breaks down, it will be like a small head and shoulder or triple top. So also we will have the same sell and we can move down. So the same buy and the same sell for gold, nothing changed. Last week we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, nothing. It was still stagnating the gold as a swing, I'm saying, not scalp, not on a lower time frame. So the expectation now, breaking the 2010 will continue up, breaking the 1933, it should resume down, and we will keep the same study, the same numbers that you will see in the table like last week. As for the US oil, still pushing up, especially after it broke this resistance. Look, this big move down, and then here breaking this level, it hit all the target. It was amazing oil. Now we are at the top, and oil prices might keep pushing up. Hella, if we take a reversal to see the sell, we have a Fibonacci. It's almost pushing for the 74% and even the 79. So if we break the 75.90, the entry, stop loss around like 75.30, 79, 76 TP1, 76.50 TP2, 77.30 TP3, and the full target will be this clean traffic until 80.42. As a reversing cell, as a reversing cell, we need to check the break of the support even on the 4 hours as the daily. It's better to have this confirmation for me. Breaking this support area will be interesting. This support, this is the sell and potential move down. So the sell will be 73.65, 74.05 stop loss, 55 TP1, 72.96 TP2, 71.77 TP3, and 69.78 TP4. So we move for the GBP JPY. You see also it already pushed up last week. It was a nice buy and pushed up from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Try to retrace. Now on the GJ, we have this resistance area. I prefer this to end up all these. We have the buy can be from this level. So we can have the buy starting 166.10, 166.10, stop loss 165.55, 66.10, stop loss around 160, even I think less, but let's keep it like 65, 60. TP1 66.20, TP2 66.50, TP3 67, and TP4 67.92. We have a clean traffic, nice traffic here. Otherwise, for the sell, we can see it clearly here, like breaking this level will be the interesting part for us for the sell بيكسر هيدا الليفل رح بيكون المهم لإلنا ننزل فيه. هون إذا كسرها if it opens makes a wick up and then start to push down. إذا كسر نزول عمل wick up رجع كمل نزول. 62.90 will be our sell. 63.20 will be stop loss. 62.80 TP1 we have a clean traffic here. 62.40 TP2. TP3 will be 61.50 and TP4 will be 60.30. We go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin stagnating now before even retracing down or continue to push up. As you can see, we'll hold the same study like last week. If we break down, it will be a double top and it should push down. Otherwise, if it opens, makes a wick down and then start to push up, it will be like pushing up for the buy and moving up more and more. Same study for as the last week. Okay, so breaking these levels around 29,540 for the buy, 26,372 for the sell. Euro dollar. Okay, so see, so we keep the same study for the euro for the buy. If we open, makes a wick down and then push up. إذا فتح من الويك down وكمل طلعة, then we'll have the buy 39.35 and up the same numbers like last week. And then now pushing down will be also interesting. Have this resistance also pushing down all the way for a double top. Also, the sell will start 0705. So, and we can push further down. As for the GBP USD, it broke up and then retraced, reversed on Friday. So we have to move up. We have to move this up. Okay, so if it opens, makes a wick down and then resume up more, I'll put the resistance in a normal place because we don't want something reversal. So what we really need is to break down, to have a wick down and then push up. Like by breaking 124.55 will be the entry. Stop loss around 24.30 almost. 24.65 TP1, 24.96 TP2, 25.36 TP3, and 26.10 will be the TP4. As for the reversal for the move down, we should have this area as a potential selling area around 1.2288, stop loss 1.822285, 1.2315, stop loss 1.20 1.2275 TP1, 1.2245 TP2, and 1.22 TP3 and 1.2135 will be the TP4. Okay, this will be the sell with the stop loss around 1.2315. So we move to AUD USD. Also, we are still stagnating in the same area for this week. We still have the same stop loss. We'll have the same buy, same sell. We are still waiting the flag. It started to break. We expected to break and to move down, but this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It did not. It kept the ranging area. ضلت عم تشتغل بالمنطقة الرايقة. بعدنا ناطرين هذا الفلاج يكون عم يكسر بعد ما كسرها. بس إذا كسرها هيدا المرة if it breaks it it should resume down the target already done. Same for and the buy. As for the NZD, the NZD also, we are still holding the same buy, nothing changed, the same sell, nothing changed. The market last week was stagnating, but oil made a good run. Dow also. So, but most of the currencies, they were stagnating in the middle. One candle up, one candle down, one up, one down, one up, one down. So we will hold the same buy, we'll hold the same sell with the full targets that we are adding. Now we go to USD CHF. USD CHF. So, okay, now we will keep the same sell because the big support did not break yet, the big support. But for the buy, we need to break now. If it opens, makes a wick down and break up, we need to break 0.9230, the entry. Stop loss around 92.05, 40 TP1, 92.85 TP2, 93.35 TP3, and 94.20 will be the TP4. This is very interesting for the USD CHF. USD CAD, it has it has a nice run, had a nice run. So like bearish one, we are still pushing down. It's like, let's see, I can see like Elliott wave. Let's try to do it together. It's one, it's two, it's three, and it might be four before pushing up back. Let's see the Fibonacci. So we are hitting 61.8. This is interesting. And after this is 74. This is interesting, and the potential reversal can start very soon on the dollar CAD. Even for Fibonacci trade, we can have, let's see, very interesting. Mm, We have to wait a reversal for the buy. As for the sell, if it opens, makes a wick down and break this, it will be a potential sell breaking 61.8 to reach down the 74% and even the full target, the one. This is interesting. This is on 61.8. So here, opening, make a wick up, and then pushing down, we might have 1.35 as a sell, stop loss around 1.3525, 1.3490 TP1, 1.3460 TP2, 1.3405 TP3, and 1.3315 will be the TP4. As the reversal, we need to open, make a wick down, and then to start push up after hitting 61.8, breaking the high of the previous candle, and then the buy will be around this area to start moving up. So around 135.70, 135.70, stop loss 135.40, 35.80 TP1, 36.26 TP2, 36.95 TP3, and 38.32 it is the TP4. هذا بيكون TP4, and we have a potential nice week. We have the NFP bonus trade, and you can also have an amazing NFP. You can make profit out of it. At the same time, you have the weekly overview that you can follow up in the best way, and see you guys during the week on the live session. Thank you.